HSBC India gets RBI approval to open 20 new branches in 20 cities. HSBC India, the Indian arm of a London headquartered HSBC, said it has received approval from the Reserve Bank of India to open 20 branches across 20 cities. With the addition of 20 branches, HSBC India's branches in the country will reach 46. In 2016, HSBC had 50 branches in the country before it decided to shut down 26. Opening branches is a clear shift in strategy. The cities in which HSBC India will open branches are Amritsar, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Dehradun, Faridabad, Indore, Jalandhar, Kanpur, Ludhiana, Lucknow, Mysuru, Indore, Nagpur, Nasik, Navi Mumbai, Patna, Rajkot, Surat, Thiruvananthapuram, Vadodara, and Vishakhapatnam.